Okay, another implicit differentiation problem. So I've got, I'm going to write it out, 4x squared plus 2xy plus 3y is equal to 9. And we got to find dy dx at a specific point. So this isn't going to be so bad, because once we take the derivative, we're just going to plug into -1 and solve for dy dx. So we take the derivative of both sides with respect to x. And again, you don't have to write this necessarily, but I'll do it just in a video to explain. The derivative is an additive function operation, so we can do this. You know, you're taking the derivative of each piece, technically. And the derivative of the right side is clearly 0, so you might as well get that out of the way. So now I get, this is going to be 8x. And then here I got to use the product rule. What I like to do is I call that 2x like my f, and then that my g in my product rule. I'm not going to write down the product rule. I'm going to hope that you've come to this video knowing it. So let's see, that would be, so I'm going to have to make some room for that. So that's 2 times y plus 2x times the derivative of y, which is 1, but we write dy dx. And then here, I would write this as the derivative of 3y, which is 3, and then times dy dx, and I get 0. And now if you look at this equation, like we need dy dx, right? At the moment, x is 2 and y is -1. So we can plug that in at any moment. I like to do it now. So let's plug in, you know, 2 for x and y equals -1. So that becomes, you know what, maybe we'll clean this up first. So we'll plug in a minute. So this would be 8x plus, this becomes 2y plus 2x dy dx. Never mind, I guess there wasn't much to clean up. That was a little redundant. For a second, I thought things were multiplying. Anyway, now we'll plug in. Okay, so then I get, so this is now 8 times x is 2. This is 2 times -1 plus 2 times 2 times dy dx. Also, you know, if you want to abandon this notation and you're at this point, just use y prime. Maybe it'll save you a little bit of ink. Plus 3y prime. Okay, we're still finding these. So we can just switch notation a little bit to make the writing easier. So that's 16 minus 2, so that's 14. And then this is 4y primes plus 3y primes, so that's 7y primes. Okay, and so now minusing 14 from both sides and divide by 7, you get -2. So dy dx equals -2, and that's answer choice D.